Bodega Boys in the house. What's up? I see you in the corner in the VIP.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah,
Popping that Nouveau.
Gang shit. Who's going to the building? Crazy boys.
Fools go.
Hey, I'm finna get to this bag, cuz fuck that shit. I see a trick in the booth over there. I'm gonna get up on him. I'm gonna run up on him. Yeah. Hey, man, what's up, man? Hey, I'm Ray J, man. What's up? What's going on?
What's up, Ray J?
What's up, cuz? Hey, listen, man. Yo, listen, dog. I got a new record out. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you should play it right now. You want to play it right now?
You know, I got my set rocking a certain way right now. Let me grab the record. I'll fit it in later on.
All right, cool. All right, so take the CD, boom.
Yeah.
I bet. Yo, listen. By the way, while I got you,
yes.
I got some ideas. You know what I'm saying? I got my Raycon Industries popping up right now. It's Forbes top 10. You know what I'm saying? Like I might be making that up, but it's true. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, man. Kind of fuck.
I gotta mix this record in.
All right, listen, bro. I got glasses. You know what I'm saying? They call bunny eyes.
Don't let
you know what I'm
DJ.
saying? You don't even got to wear them. Hey, chill, bro. I got magnetic speakers, cuz. Hey, man, stop fucking touching me, cuz. Hey, man, I got 4 Rolls Royces, cuz.
I gotta play this record.
Hey, man, what the fuck, cuz?
Get out of here.
Hey, listen, man.
Ain't that Maurice's brother?
Oh, shit. I'm up out of here. Do the fucking drop.
Episode 139, Bodega Boys in the building, the world's most dangerous podcast. And I think I might have taken that from somewhere, but you know what? If you feel that way, come fight me, coward.
Come fight me.
Yeah, find me. Because I'm at Milk Studios.
That's right.
Home of Milk Studios, La Leche Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
In the jam room. Which is surprisingly located deep in the basement of Milk Studios. If like there was a bomb or something, we'd be safe.
We'd be good.
Actually, we wouldn't. There's no food. Like all we have is beer.
Just mad beer. We should be wild drunk. Like, yeah, son.
For 3 weeks.
Yeah, you got something to eat? Yeah, let's eat that pinball machine.
You gotta like fucking turn the beer into carbohydrates and make bread off the shit.
Just like you in the wicker chair and shit.
As always, shout out to Square Cash, the sponsor.
Yo, Square Cash, big up.
Oh, shout out to the other sponsor, Showtime.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Cutting them checks, real checks. Woo! Checks that make people come out the bank manager's office like, oh, hi, sir. Can I offer you a mint?
Hey, how are you doing?
How's it going?
First name basis.
Hey,
you're my private client.
That's right. Coming in February 21st.
Damn, private
Thursday.
client makes me miss back page.
You said you what?
Private client makes me miss back page.
Private client? Well, aren't they all private clients?
Yeah.
You got enough money, bring back Backpage. It's something near and dear to your heart. I want to make a movie and it's going to have like that wild, triumphant Disney, you know, like we bought a circus. They'll be like, oh man, a dream. It's going to be your wife and she's going to be like, damn it, you can't bring it back. It's impossible.
I'm like, watch me do it.
It's me and you working on Backpage in the garage.
Let's make it happen, man.
We can make it happen. We got to take your kids in the field and we're like chesting in the Backpage. Daddy, you can do it.
This is my kid setting up like sheets and like cam girl shit.
It's just you. You got like a book and you're like, HTML for dummies. And you got the Ray J glasses. Like,
flip this shit down.
Like, body code. All I want to do is just get pussy back on there. I'm the magic Negro. I'm like, we could do it, brother. We could do it.
You the Morgan Freeman of this shit, like.
They made me come in through the back door, but that doesn't mean we can't make a back page.
That's right. That's right.
Starring Desus Nice as the magic nigga. I got the Samuel L. Jackson Kango. That's right, because I'm a wicked motherfucker.
She got to be backwards at all times.
With the not even a hoop earring. Like I just got the fucking hippopotamus tooth. Yeah, leveling up. Susan Sarandon's like your wife or some shit. Backpage coming this summer.
This summer to Cannes Film Festival. Cannes. Is it Cannes? Cannes. Whatever.
I don't know. Like the last scene in the trailer is like your daughter like, Daddy, you're clock watching. And it's like, to all you nasty niggas get those references. Shout out to y'all.
Shout out to y'all nasty Backpage perusing.
How come they shut down Backpage? It just didn't like someone didn't like come up with a new Backpage like. Come up with a restaurant in Seamless, but make all the menu items sexual items.
That's it.
And then just trick it like that.
That's such a void to be filled right there. Like,
well, also the person probably would kill you if like they're like.
That is also correct.
Damn.
You
Scary.
can't lose. You can't fucking win for losing.
Like it's just like Wu-Tang says, scary hours. Drake didn't say that first. It was Wu-Tang. So Mero, you know, I know last week we talked about Baby Shark. Mm-hmm. Very popular song with the youngins. And you know, I'm always on the lookout for a good racist song. Mm-hmm. Got a new song for you.
What do you got?
A little person called David Allen Cole.
Oh, okay. Let's listen to this.
She said someday I'd understand what love was all about. She said I could have the kids. She was moving out.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Said she'd finally found a man.
Okay.
Whose dick was so much bigger.
What?
Then that scumbag motherfucker ran off with a nigger.
Whoa! When was this released?
The name of that little ditty is Nigger Lover.
Wow!
If you want fun, go look at the YouTube comments under that song. Because it's just people like, yo, I ranked this mate.
I ranked this mate! Yo!
Drake needs to remake this song.
Fam! Yo!
David Allen Cole. That just sounds like a mad made up name. This is 1982.
That sounds like a KKK name.
This is This is 19. It's country music. He had another song called "Don't Bite the Dick." So
all right,
he was that kind of guy.
Okay.
He's that kind of guy.
I heard enough.
You gotta hear "Don't Bite the Dick." Like,
Don't bite the dick.
that sounds like it could be a Dominican song. That could be a Jamaican song.
Yeah, yo.
It could be a positive song. It could be like a negative song.
No me muerda el huevo, no me muerda el huevo.
Hey.
No me muerda el huevo, no me muerda el huevo.
Watch your teeth. Watch your teeth. Watch your teeth. Go hard with the molars. Go hard with the molars. Discussed by cusps.
Tongue we prefer. Tongue in the summer, tongue in the winter.
She a fiend. She just have gums. Yum, 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 yum.
Bite cock, bite cock, bite cock, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it.
They say yum on it, numb out. Shout out to everyone that ever looked at the crackhead like,
Remember the Hunts Point Chronicles?
Oh,
Whatever the
yeah,
fuck
with
shit
Hookers on the
HBO?
Point.
Yeah, Hookers on the Point.
And what was it? It was a school teacher. Her teeth could come out.
Yeah. She was like, yo, that's my like specialty. It's
Yeah,
like,
she was dressed like a school teacher.
I pop up my dentures and shit and give a nigga toppy.
Wow, yappy. You pull over your semi-tractor, you got a semi-chubby. Yeah. I bet you are getting, this was like the 90s. So not only you're getting your dick sucked unprotected in the 90s and Hunts Point, the Bronx.
Ooh.
That's so disgusting but so hot.
Fam.
You just like, fuck it. I don't care how I go out.
It's disgusting from both angles, baby, because like first of all, you're getting blown by somebody who's been walking around for 20 hours straight and has been probably shooting dope in between their toes on their lunch break. And then on the other hand, you're blowing a dude who's driven 800,000 miles from Virginia
peeing in bottles and shit.
Peeing in bottles.
Been
jerking off, like probably walk out his cheese and let
taking
that
wild
foreskin.
shits at 7-Elevens.
You know,
not even wiping properly.
You already know.
Gross.
He got the man pon in. It's just like a paper towel that he grabbed from the fucking like gas station.
Ugh. Nasty. That's why we need Backpage.
Nasty, yeah.
Every time I seen a truck stop, I was like, damn, niggas is definitely fucking here. Anytime you got a truck stop, like even if it's the middle of the day, like a rest stop kind of shit, you know someone's getting a wild PJ in the bathroom and shit. Because rest stops is weird. Like, this is like, yo, what's the most 5 bland food options you have in like the state? Put them right here next to gas.
Here. And then go get gas and then go get a toppy in the bathroom.
It's never like fast food restaurants you heard about before. It's like always Dirt McGurt's chicken and Captain Bland McCod fish. You're like, yo, what is this shit?
Yo, we should start a chain of glory holes at rest stops. You know what I'm saying?
This song got to add the crickets right there. When I go get my dick sucked, I only get it sucked at the Bodega Boys brand Glory Hose. The Glory Hose, you can listen. You got the latest episode. We got merch. Just people like, and then they come out like a wild t-shirt comes out like, it's a medium. I want a large.
Sorry. We're all out.
Our Glory Hose contains platted seats. Can you get
wet wipes?
Are we doing Yelp for Glory Holes? You gotta treat the Glory Hole like the supercharger for the Tesla. It tells you like the nearest one. If you're going on a trip, you root around it like, yo.
You're not talking about the like, yo, if this bathroom is in bad condition, please just tell like, yo, if this Glory Hole is in unacceptable condition.
They had that at JFK now. There's a thing and it's like, what was the condition of this bathroom?
And it's just like a happy face,
a medium face, or whatever. And every time I see it, I'm like, yo, they don't even want like right and shit.
Yeah.
Every time I see it, I just always hit sad face. Come clean as shit. Got nothing else come clean as shit.
Come clean as shit, motherfucker.
Also, nothing sadder than 1 o'clock in the morning, Sunday night at JFK. Oh god. Because it's just like people who miss their flight and they're like sleeping on the floor. Flights to Mexico, which are happening all the time. I don't know. We need to look into that. Yeah. And people that work at JFK,
Yep.
going to the lunch break. The only thing open at that hour, McDonald's.
Yeah.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I hate this shit.
Yo.
Like,
I'm like, yo, just give me fucking 6 hash browns, bro.
Like,
I'm about to eat
yo.
these hands and fucking pass out.
we don't
on the
take
flight.
cash. We don't take cash. Got to put it in the kiosk. They're like, what? I'm like, yo, there's no one online. Why I can't go to the kiosk?
You go to, oh, word? Nigga? Watch. I'm going to the gate.
Then the kiosk is like, nah, not accepting orders. He's like, oh, come on, man. Come on,
I like
man.
the airports that got the honor system where it's like you pick up a bunch of shit and then you go pay for it. It's definitely not in New York. It's like in LA or Chicago.
Most
or some
airports
shit.
are not like that. You just like to steal shit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm glad I know that.
You just be stealing. He's like, I got cheese and a potato roll. I'm like, bro, you got to pay for that. He's like, no, you don't.
No, you don't. Not really.
I'm on Showtime. I'm gonna pay for
I'm a
shit.
sovereign citizen.
Sorry, don't respect your laws. He's like, not even checking into the Ritz-Carlton, just hopping over the gate, just taking the thing. Yeah, I'll take a room 555.
Yeah.
They're like, so you have to pay. Sovereign
Man,
citizen.
nah,
Sorry, I don't respect American currency.
No backsies.
Can I tip you in Confederate coins, my guy?
Can I give you a Federalist note?
It's like, oh, here you go, my child. Here's a bodega book. We're just gonna print money with our own faces on it and start paying bills with that shit. See, he's gonna be like, you can't.
Guys, I just got a call from Lamborghini. Mero, you just tried to pay with a bag full of Chuck E. Cheese tokens with your face on them?
And a big face Desus. I believe the balance is covered. I was like, oh, it's how much? Okay, that's 3 Meros, 1 little Mero, and you know what? Here's a Victor. Keep the change. They're like, this is. I'm at the treasury. Like, yeah, just print that up. Just, print up that. I'm here to pick
That's
up
the next step, B. We print our own currency.
Yo, we get it too. The brand is too strong. Well, I don't know how strong the brand is. You know, we don't got people that pay for premium cable.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
You know what we need to do? And that's what we need to do, and that's what they
right,
can do.
exactly.
And they can suck that from there.
Yeah,
No, we're
stupid.
We're media trained. We're media trained. Also, like we're getting money.
Yeah. I'm fucking in the bag.
To quote the illustrious poet who was around at the same time as William Shakespeare, when hell rel, why would I knock your hustle if mine's treating me right?
That's right. That's absolutely right.
So, following the laws of street business, if so facto, if P then Q, if thy is knocking a hustle, that means thy hustle is not correct.
Not correct.
And to quote my aunt Pauline, perhaps one must mind their business and focus upon themselves.
Yes.
Okay? Or as Nicki Minaj would say, sit there and eat your grits.
Sit there and eat your grits.
Or was it, sit there and eat your rice? Yeah. To freedom!
Yo, to freedom.
Yo, why? I think Nicki Minaj is like dating a guy that Pat was in jail with.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What is going on? Is she on Tinder?
Like she's on jail Tinder.
Like what do you like? Where you getting these
jail
niggas
Tinder
from?
is just you wait for the bus outside Queens Booker. It's like, yo.
Is she really going to like East Elmhurst and Hazen Street? Like, yo,
Nicki Minaj
looking for love?
Nicki Minaj worked hard to become famous, to leave Jamaica Queens, just to go back to Jamaica Queens to date the same niggas that's in Jamaica Queens that she left. I respect that. I respect the regression.
I'm like, yo, like.
But they said she knew the guy before they got famous or whatever. And like, she's like, oh, we drifted apart, but we got back together. The nigga went to jail for attempted murder.
Like, come on, man.
That you gotta love the crust of it, but that's some Queen shit.
Fam,
chicks from Queens would look past a murder charge. You know it. You know. Like, that nigga be locked up, but he be sending me the cute letters and shit.
He's alright.
That nigga be looking good in State Greens.
He told me he was not gonna murder me.
Okay.
So like, that's it.
It's whatever. I like the little bus rides to visit him and shit, and I'll be wrapping up the lotion and plastic.
Whatever.
It's nothing.
The
I'm saying,
conjugal visits
you know
be
what I'm saying? We
poppin'.
do our time together. Okay.
That's right.
Okay, he does a day, I do a day. We do it together. My man will be about 8 months, 7 weeks, 3 days, 2 hours, 10 minutes, and 34, 32, 31 seconds.
It's like, mommy, I'm hungry.
Just get the fuck out of here.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm on prisonwives.com.
Mommy, I'm
get out of
hungry.
here.
Mommy,
I gotta change my
feed
emoji.
me. Mommy,
I gotta change my emoji. I have to
mommy.
make a woman crying in front of a brick
Mommy,
wall.
I just threw up my intestine.
Get out of here. You're not even my kid.
Oh my God.
Come look at this. Look, is Marge Simpson, and she's pressing her hand against the plastic glass, and Homer's on the other side because he's locked up too.
I don't care. I'm hungry.
You know what? I don't even want you.
Please, I'm on the floor.
Go play with the bottle of ammonia I gave
I'm
you.
crying on the floor because I'm hungry. And the only way to feed me is to sleep with a man for
City
a
High,
little bit of
y'all.
money.
City High. Niggas in the club like, yo, child abuse. I like this shit. I like this shit.
Child
Yo.
abuse, nigga. Yeah.
That was the time when music was more questionable. Remember A-Rab money?
Oh man.
You can't get that out now.
Yo, first of all, first and foremost, because what the hook was nonsense. It wasn't even like Arab words.
No, it was Arab words. It was like the call to prayer or some shit like that.
Really?
Yeah.
It
It was very problematic. It wasn't
my God.
We thought it was gibberish, but we also had on like Vances in the club and Durango boots.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
you know we didn't know better.
We didn't know no better.
The guy had on a triple XL Express shirt
Yeah, that's a fact.
with a kufi.
Oh my God.
Not even Muslim. Out there selling scented oils in the bathroom. Like, what's up, mom?
Fam,
You want to buy one rose?
Those are tough times. Niggas had derbies and Oakleys on at the same time.
Oof.
What was happening?
Niggas was buying Sauconys to match their derbies.
What is going on?
Sauconys.
God damn.
The guy had like 5 pairs of hush puppies.
Fam.
And when I walked through, niggas really hush. They're called hush puppies. Hush puppies.
The hush puppies, because you better be quiet when you wear them shits, because niggas will be like, boy.
Nah, that used to be you can't get away with hush puppies now or Skechers. Oh, yeah, you know what? If I say that now, but watch, if Skechers comes with that right check,
Boy, I'll be
a sketchy motherfucker. Woo,
nigga,
I look like I'm on my second Christian date.
You see me mad watching the commercial like, oh man, I'm washed as hell, but these Skechers wide fit relaxed shoes are the bomb.
Wow, look, you have bootcut jeans; they slide right over them. Now available with a hammer loop. Skechers.
They were saying that bootcut jeans is supposed to make a comeback.
They not coming back.
I was like, nah, keep that shit in fucking 2002, B. Get out of here with your Von Dutch shit.
But the thing is, if you've been wearing bootcut jeans, you never stopped. When you first found out, you was like, nah, I'm set for life.
Toby Keith's talking about what you mean they coming back.
Okay? Michael Jordan.
You mean?
Michael Jordan's like, bet you double or nothing. They never left, motherfucker. They just throw some dice out of nowhere.
Niggas just in the club with a leather blazer, like, smoking a cigar, like,
fuck it up, fuck it up,
fuck it up, fuck it up.
Nigga pass a carriage and sees a mother changing the diaper. He's like, bet you $50,000 he took a shit. Oh, that's P. Double or nothing on another one. Like just walking around the park betting on shit.
He followed her mom around for like 12 hours until the kid has a bowel movement.
All right. Double down on this one. I bet you there's corn in this one.
My child doesn't eat corn. Fuck it.
You know what? Fuck it.
I'll buy the corn.
He's like, you know what? Let's up the stakes. See if your kid's allergic to peanuts. Nigga throw a peanut right in the kid's mouth and they wait like, Speaking of weak pussies who can't handle food, my man Mero almost died. He almost got killed by romaine lettuce this weekend.
Yo, I had no idea I had diverticulosis, which is just pockets in your colon that form over time.
You gotta put in the no music now.
Yeah,
like, diverticulosis is what?
Is pockets that form in your colon. I don't know if it's
not to be confused with pockets stay fat. Like here we go. Nah, also diverticulosis or whatever it's called is what we call in the hood a rich nigga disease. Because if you had no health insurance, you would just be sipping tonic water or walking around all day like
I tried that.
My shit hurts.
I tried that. Nigga, I tried to drink Sprite for 3 days straight and burp it out.
What kind of hick ass Dominican health insurance?
Like yo,
hey, DK Limon.
Yo, fam, I'm like yo.
Hey, follow your thirst. Obey your thirst. I don't know.
It's like yo, Sprite and weed will get me through this.
Nigga said Sprite.
Sprite and weed.
Nigga didn't even say ginger. Nigga said Sprite.
Sprite and weed will get me through this.
If this was the 80s, this nigga would be drinking like mellow yellow. This nigga said Sprite. So the Sprite didn't help, and then
fam, I woke up one morning and Heather was like, "Yo, do you want me to take you to the ER now, nigga? Because I've been asking you for the past 2 days and you've declined."
This nigga like this nigga grinding on the floor like he's playing fucking Gears of War.
Yo, fam,
fight through the pain.
Yo, you just see like the red and like the little circle going down and shit. I'm like, yo, revive me.
I'm like, where are you?
Revive me.
I'm on the map. I can't find you. I'm like, where you at, Mero? I don't see you.
Revive me.
I don't see you.
Yo, I'm up in the tower. Yo, there's
this nigga all the way. You know what? When you die, I'll come back. I'm not gonna walk all the way over there. There's a monster.
Yo, fam.
So how was the ER?
Yo, the ER was lit.
How was the ER? But you had health insurance.
Yeah.
The ER is a different experience when you got health insurance.
Yeah. Oh, yo, what?
You going in there acting like you was king shit?
Fam, I walked in there and I immediately pulled my penis over the top of my sweatbands pants because I was like, yo, I got a health insurance card. I went with it. with the shit on my forehead. Like, y'all niggas know I got insurance, but nigga, Blue Cross Blue Shit, what the fuck up?
Nigga came through like, lady with a baby, excuse me.
Nigga, I went in there like that blue face nigga, like, I got a health insurance, cuz I got a car, nigga. What?
Real crib shit.
Real crib shit, nigga. I got Blue Cross
Blue Shield, nigga. And then that Red Cross, cuz. It's that blue face shit.
Yo, they rushed me in there, bro. I was like, yo, this shit is. I was like, yo, I'm gonna die. I was like, I think this is appendicitis, yo. I'm really feeling fucked up. And the lady was like, okay, so we're gonna give you something for the pain. It might make you feel a little loopy. I was like, yeah, give me that. They gave me Dilaudid, nigga.
Woo!
I was like, is this the shit that killed Michael Jackson, nigga? Because as soon as they shot that shit at me, I was like,
that nigga, they put that shit in there. It was like, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? This nigga had glitter coming through his hands like, boom, 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 boom,
nigga,
boom, boom.
I felt like Bruno Mars in a hospital gown, nigga. God
Yeah.
yeah.
This nigga performing the whole concert. The nurses outside just watching like, oh yeah, he's bugging.
He's bugging.
Oh, this nigga high.
Nigga, I did the risky business shit, like the down the hallway and shit. Like, yo, this shit was
This nigga do a crowd participation from his bed. He's like, just a lady. Oh, I think the left side doing better than the right side. We're gonna divide the crowd. Hey now.
Hey.
They're like,
Lead a line dance
so the
and shit.
person next to you in the bed is like,
Hit the nurse button. Nurse.
He's doing the second encore.
This nigga's bugging.
Yo, you know Prince died? Purple Rain. Purple. Nigga got the bedpan playing like a guitar. Like, yeah. Nigga got the saline solution from side to side. Like, yo. For all the lovers out there. How many people here want a kidney?
Fam, I have never had, now I know what Michael Anthony feels like because I've got.
'Cause your guts hurt?
Yo, my guts hurt and I got more needles put in me, man. God damn, bro.
Victoria.
I had a fucking. They had me on IV in each arm. Bruh, they had me.
You're not telling the hot part, so tell me about when the hot Latin cheeked up maid came through and gave you the sponge bath, right?
Yeah,
right?
Yeah,
that's what happens.
Yeah. That's exactly not what happens at all. It's usually
Was the nurse hot?
It's usually like an older Filipino woman, and she's just like, "You sit down here. You don't move."
That's very problematic accent. It's also very accurate.
Man. You don't move. Stay here. You dangerous before you move. You want pain go up? You want pain go but worse? I'm like, yo, no, but I want to go home. Like, I don't want to lay in this tiny ass hospital bed all day.
Oh my god! Did they have you as a fall risk?
Oh no, but they get, you know what fucked up was they ran out of socks, so they gave me the full wrist socks. So every time I was in the hallway, they would be like, yo, you're not supposed to be by yourself. I'm like, no, I'm not a full wrist. And they just didn't have socks that was big enough
That's
for my
what people
feet.
who would be a fall risk would say. Nigga sneak around the hospital like Snake in middle care.
I got the box and shit like,
Hey, you're not supposed to be here.
I'm in the pantry and shit. The nurse come in, she's like, I'm hiding nigga, just hide behind an apple juice. Like, yeah.
That fall risk shit is serious. Like,
Fam, that shit is no joke.
They just added that to the Apple Watch now. That if you fall, for older people, but also for people because if you fall. If the Apple Watch is like, yo, fam, you all right? After
good?
you fell?
Yo, you good?
Imagine you fall. People at Apple like, God damn. The sensor's like, yo, this nigga bust his whole shit. The icon is like, yo. It's like the talking emoji is like, yo, you all right? Yo, your Apple Watch is like, yo, fam, just look back like you tripped over something. Like, oh, shit.
Yo, you good?
Like, yo. Just like Apple's like, boop, boop, are you all right? You're just like, They're like, oh, you not all right.
No, you're not good.
Yo, Apple said it somebody. They come from the Apple store like, yo, fam, we saw you bust your shit. Like,
yo,
can we help you?
But yo, we got the video. You want to watch the video? That shit was mad funny.
99 cents in the cloud. You got to download it. It's an add-on. It's a microtransaction. Oh, shit.
Yo.
What if that's how Apple's going to get us back? Like, they're just recording us busting our shit? They'll be like, yo, I got this video. Yo, you fall down late at night at 3 a.m. You're like, yo, thank God no one saw it. And you see a letter from Steve Jobs like, yo.
Boy. Nigga
Caught you lacking, boy.
This nigga just put the subject as just the roast hand like, boy. Yo. Oh, shit. Speaking of fucking death and destruction, yo, a fucking robot killed 29 people in Japan, dog.
Mero,
I went to Japan.
Mero, you gullible genius. I love it. Everyone keeps passing that around. It's just like, yo,
is it fake?
If 4 robots killed 29 scientists. That would be the #1 story on every news broadcast, on every channel all over the world.
I want to believe it so bad. Let me believe it.
You know what?
Let me believe it.
As the greatest president ever in the history of the United States would say, it's fake news.
Fake news.
Fake news.
Fake news.
Why do you moolies believe everything you see on Facebook?
Right. It was on Twitter, though. That's why I believed it. If it was on Facebook, I'd be like, man, this shit's
You can't trust nothing on Twitter. You can't believe nothing on Twitter. Because niggas is coming to me in the barbershop. They was like, I heard y'all niggas going to HBO. I'm like, how? How?
What is that?
How? Look, no one said HBO.
Nobody's ever said that.
At no time was HBO ever mentioned. People was like, y'all, I ain't hear that.
Yo,
Them
I heard,
niggas lying.
Yo, I heard y'all niggas was on Veep.
Yo, I heard y'all niggas got canceled. That's why y'all not Animal Planet no more. Niggas replaced y'all with the Westminster Dog Show, which we will be hosting next year.
Yo, we
So
lit.
get your dogs together, because
You know what I'm
if your dog is ugly, we're going to fry the shit out that boy.
Right, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, check out this ugly ass bitch on Freeze.
Yo, defrost that bitch.
Yo, say word, I won't slap the shit out this dog.
It's a German Shepherd. We can just get mad triggered. Like,
I'll be like, today in the racist dog category. We got a German Shepherd, and that's it.
And a Doberman.
And they'll be like, the winning dog is just a pit bull from the Bronx and advances.
Like, yo, what up, nigga?
What's up?
Yo, I would like to, first and foremost, I'd like to thank the God Almighty, you know what I'm saying? My Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Secondly, I thank my moms. My pops was a piece of shit, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck him. Yo,
You
give
know
it
what
up
I
for
mean?
Mitchell Houses. You know what I'm saying?
I mean?
Trey Gang.
You know what I mean? Word
Yo,
up,
you know what I'm
Lil
saying? I got
Mob.
the heavy chain.
You feel me?
Yo, all my niggas in Petco. You keep me,
Word
yo,
up.
you keep me with that
Word
fucking,
up.
you know what I'm saying? Brighten on them pig ears. Shit's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Light work. Yo, shout out to Desus Mero. You know what I'm saying? No collusion. The
Know
judge
what I mean?
BX all day. You're doing big things for the community.
It's my niggas
Shout out to
right
Mike's
there.
on the general. You know what I'm
Know what I
saying?
mean?
Y'all getting the guns off the street.
That's right.
All
Be
right.
Positivity. That's why I'm trying to use my platform here at the Westminster Dog Show to let y'all niggas know that you ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying, bite a nigga arm off. You know
Yo,
what I'm saying?
shout out to my role model, Big Bully, one of the great, rest in peace, one of the
Word
greatest
up.
Knicks ever.
You know what I
Shout out
mean?
to my handler, Livingston, for being Wild Buns. Yo,
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Shit's
come
good.
over here, give me a fucking treat, nigga, before I bite the shit out of you, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Livingston, move your pitbull from the living room.
Yo, move your leg. Nigga, academics is a dog trainer. They got a Chihuahua's man scared of and shit.
He's like, roll over. He's like, I don't want to roll over because you're a bitch.
You a bitch.
Hey, what way?
Nigga hit him with the relax. Relax.
Shout out to Joe Button. Joe in Santana. He just proposed to her.
Oh, shit.
So he got the baby.
You made an honest woman out of her?
That's such a weird phrase.
That's such a weird phrase.
Nigga, honest, like, what were you, like a lying ass whore?
You cheating whore?
You cheating whore? Huh? You was an honest whore? Yeah, I can't even get an honest whore now. I have to spit in her mouth. Speaking of honest whores, I very rarely make recommendations.
Okay.
I have to recommend, because I got the screener now.
Yeah.
Green Book.
Green Book?
Green
Okay.
Book, that movie that everyone says is terrible, and it has Marsha Lala from Moonlight.
Marshmallow Ali.
Okay, huh?
Uh-huh.
I thought it was going to be a terrible movie. And it's a terrible movie if you're talking about race, because this
Okay.
is like unrealistic.
It's very ham-fisted.
myopic. Yes,
Yeah.
it's terrible. If you want to see a hilarious story about a racist nigga from the Bronx and an African guy, Green Book is the shit to see. I have never rooted so hard for a Guido in my life. Okay? The way he says the N-word, I was like, yeah, you tell him, Jerry. Tell him, Tony. This used to be a nice block. I was
That's
out there playing Scully.
I used to sleep with my doors open.
Hey, put up another Italian flag in the pizzeria and get that mullions off there. Let's go and Golden Crust. Like, whoa, look at Patrick Ewing. That was a big, that's a big eggplant. I mean, whoa. Yo, look at over here.
Yo.
1, 2, 3, 4 black people. It's the opposite of ricotta.
Oh, whoa, my God.
That was the other thing about that movie. I don't know if they were making up racial slurs or they found like,
They went on Urban Dictionary and dug
you
up
ever
all the
like
old shits?
find like a cassette tape of like radio shows you recorded back in the high school and shit, like
yeah.
Stretch and Bob, and you hear like a rare group home, Back Against the Door remix that you haven't heard in years and shit. Those were the type of racial slurs they were breaking out. They were breaking out the dead stock shit. The shit you go on StockX like, woo.
Yo, this shit is $50.
Yo, no one said this word since 1931.
Oh, shit.
They was like, get out of here, you weed grinder. You're like, what?
Weed grinder.
Like, that's not a slur. And it's like,
not a
oh, weed grinder is like a very racial slur only used in Kentucky. You're like, wow.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh, because.
And that's one to learn on.
Oh, wow.
There was like a whole scene about them. He was like, I'm more black than you because I eat fried chicken. But then like Marsha, I'm never gonna get his name right.
Marshmallow.
He was like, I don't eat chicken. I don't eat fried chicken. And like there's like this whole subtext of like he's not really black because he's like uppity black. And I was like, wow, this is terrible. I could
Is
have
he
wrote this
like
in my-
is he like African American in the movie, or is he like African?
Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. And I don't want to give it away any spoilers, but there's a little piscadillo sucking in the movie.
What?
They don't tell you about that.
From
I'm not saying. You gotta go.
What?
You gotta go find out.
Is this just like Ray Liotta moment?
Whoa! I didn't know black people could do that. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Check out the movie, and that's Jesus Nice, top 5 movie. Jesus Nice, the critic. It stinks.
It stinks. Yo.
A little pish, a little.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's like a little braciole.
I was like, wow, it is Moonlight too. Oh man.
Nah, I got a screener for Roma, which I was like, what is this? And then I Googled it, and there was they said that there's two men naked fighting karate in it, and I was like, I'm good.
Oh,
Like,
you know what else I saw? Star is Born with Lady Gaga.
is it terrible?
So good.
It's good?
So good.
Really?
So good.
So now you know who Bradley Cooper is?
I don't. I don't. The whole time watching it, I was like, who is this white guy? Why does he look so familiar? And I'm just Googling. I was like, is that Thor?
Is that Thor?
Who the fuck is this guy? I was like, they were like, that's Bradley Cooper from The Hangover. I was like,
Is that Jacob DeGrom?
I was like, from The Hangover. I was like, he's the one that lost the tooth? They're like, no. I was like, the one that pulled out the tooth, the one that got the face tattoo.
Faces?
They're like, no, you're getting close. I was like, the Asian? It was like there wasn't even an Asian, and I was like,
You sure
who was he?
that's-
Turtle?
You sure
They're
that's
like, no, that's Entourage.
That's Jerry Ferrari. Sorry. You sure it's not Gordon Hayward, nigga, from the Celtics? Like,
I was like, oh, he sung Bad Romance, and they was like, that's Lady Gaga, that's his coast. Like, now you just making shit up.
come on, dog.
Lady Gaga was singing the shit out of the songs in there.
It's a musical?
No, but it's not an annoying musical.
Okay.
It's a musical where it's like, yo, we're musicians. We're actually singing because we have to. It's not like, hey, yo, I'm drinking a beer. I'm in the village. These people are queer. Hey, hey, the prices is up. I got some coke and I'm going to snuff. My guts hurt. Where's the opioids?
Backwoods for 18. Guess I'm gonna be clean.
Gotta find Mero. His guts hurt. Taking him pills in the hospital. And a bunch of Meros dancing around the hospital gowns like,
Fuck it up.
staying alive, staying alive. You're in the gurney like,
I thought the nigga next to me was going to die.
Did you get in? It was on some jail shit. Like, yo, what are you in for?
Yo, I got in there and I was like, oh man, because I hate big. Like, first of all, I never. This is my first ever overnight hospital stay ever that that didn't have to do with like my wife having a child. But I was just like, yo, this shit is fucking whack. I was like, yo, this bed sucks. It's an air mattress, basically. And I was like, yo, at least I got the room to myself. And then I just hear, and then I had to go to investigate. And it's like this like 90-year-old white dude. And he's in bed. He's like just like 1 foot in the grave. They're like, yo, they're reading his list of meds. It's just on like a fucking, I don't even know, like a fucking Def Jux lineup and shit. It's like, yo, you need
Give it for
Prenzine,
Nathrox.
Nathrox, and fucking. I'm like, yo, what the,
Bugotine.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck are you?
Benzavoid.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck is this? Niggas taking Cannibal Ox and shit for hypertension. Like, yo, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, yo.
Oh my God, hurry. His Fun Crusher Plus is flatlining. Oh, shit.
Yo. And then you make him try to talk to me. I was like, nah, I'm not trying to talk to you.
He's like,
I'm like, yo,
What are you,
Sunday.
Dominican?
Yeah, I was like, yo, shut the fuck up. The Giants are getting smoked.
They let y'all in here now. You seen that movie Green Book? There's some dick sucking in it.
I was like, I don't even think you can open your mouth wide enough to hold my cock, you fucking weirdo. Get out of here.
Back in 1910, I would have owned for you. You're like, oh shit.
Oh, goddamn.
Goddamn.
I just press the button on his bed and shit, make this shit eject him.
He's like, one last thing. Spick.
I'll be like,
They put the bed back down like yo, nurse. He called me a racist slur. They're like, sir, he hasn't spoken in 3 months. Like a wink at you, like, wink. So you're going to stitch me out to the nurse, huh? Yeah, I should have known.
I should have known, you fucking rat.
Your father was a rat, so you're a mouse.
Yeah.
He spit on you with the big bag like,
You look like Alpo.
Nurse, get me out of here. I don't want to be in the same room as one of these, you know.
It is fucking
snitches.
These rat bastards.
Rat bastards.
These fucking Sammy the Bull ass motherfucker.
You wake up, it's written on your fucking chamber pot. It's like snitch. Nigga looking around like, oh shit.
I looked down at my stomach. It's like mad incisions that smell like snitch. I'm like, oh shit.
Nigga go for fucking physical therapy and you're going to your walker and your walker just explodes. You're like, oh shit.
Yo, I knew that nigga. That shit made me question my mortality, my nigga, because when they were asking him, like, yo, what happened? Like, how did you get here? Like, the doctor, whatever. He's like, well, I went down in the cellar.
Full risk.
And, you know, when I came through the doors, I just became very lightheaded and I fell. And I hit my head. And then, you know, I don't know what happened. But, you know, I have vascular stents in my leg. I was like, this nigga. I was like, bro. I was like, yo, just call it. Like, just call it, my G. Like,
Yo, when it's other people, it's very easy to be like, yo, just end it.
just call it.
Other people's lives are like when you go to someone's house as a child and they're playing a video game and you want to play. You're like, hurry up, nigga.
Come on.
You've been playing long enough. It's my turn.
My turn.
No, it's not that. It's not that fast. Yeah, just and all like that.
Yeah.
That's like when my mother was in shout out to Westchester Medical Center, gang, and she was sharing her room with like this guy that was like wild comatose, but his family was like wild Yonkers white trash. And my mother, like, she was completely out of it because she had like a brain injury, but she did remember to say this. Like, she came out, she woke up, she was like, "Lock up your phones." And I was like, "What?" She's like, "Lock up your phones. They look like they steal." And then she just went back to sleep. And I was like to the doctor, I was like, "She's gonna be just fine." And I come back in.
What's about her?
And they were like, "Your mother, she doesn't know what's going on. Like, she's like disoriented." I asked her where she was at. She thought she was in Florida, and I'd come in. And I'd be like, "Are you all right?" And she's like, "I don't think that's his original wife because all day I just see people coming in and none of the children look like him. Now I'm just staring at this man all day. And I look at the daughter. The daughter always wear a tied up skirt and she has no ring on her hand. And the husband, he's here at the hospital all day, so he must not have no job." And I'm like, doctor, she's fine.
Fam, she's fine. Let's go, please.
I don't know what part of the brain she hurt, but not the gossip part.
Not the gossip lobe.
Oh
my God.
Up next, we got "My Circle is Green." That's what I call bars, nigga. That's right. New baby tracks on the way with A-Track.
That's right, motherfucker.
Called Peppa Pig.
We are.
Peppa Pig or ACAB. All cops are bastards. Yo, fuck the Bobbies, mate.
Yo, hey,
fuck the Bobbies and fuck the Queen and the Constables. It's Peppa Pig and the Grind Boys.
Yo, is the Queen really as accessible as they make her look on Peppa Pig?
No.
Like, because on Peppa Pig, the Queen just be coming through. Like, they just go hang out with her and shit.
Well,
like,
first of all, that's a cartoon. But, like, what's her name was complaining? Kim Kardashian was complaining she wanted to meet Meghan Markle. But royal security protocol is like, it's not on some American shit where it's like,
yeah, come through.
If the president was coming in, like, Secret Service would come in and be like, "Oh, let's check it out," whatever. If Meghan Markle goes somewhere, they empty the whole floor. So it's like, if she wants to go to the bathroom, they're like, "Everyone get off this floor." So they were telling Kim K and all of them, it was like, "Go, you famous America, get the fuck out of here. You're not running up on the princess." So no one can ever touch her like that. The same thing with the Queen.
Wow.
So the Queen don't just be chilling with no fucking Peppa Pig.
No commoners?
No. She really just be pulling up for like marmalade with Peppa Pig. Like, yo, Peppa, did you learn the whistle yet? She's like, "Fuck you, bitch."
Fuck you, bitch. Yo, Susie's being bossy. I'm watching that shit. I'm like,
you're being bossy too.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck? You mad rude, nigga.
I mean, it's a hot take, but I know Peppa Pig, when she grew up, she definitely voted for Brexit.
Oh, yeah.
And she's like, "There's too many brown people in this country."
Hey, I don't like Pedro Pony, to be honest with you.
What's his nationality?
He wears glasses.
You know,
This nigga wears glasses.
all we get is dirt and foreigners from the channel. She's like, yo, I don't mind if a few more African migrants die because I'd rather not have them on the dole. He's just like, yo,
honestly.
Wow, Peppa Pig is Theresa May.
Wow, B, you're a Tory.
Everyone's like, wow, y'all just mixing shit up. It's America. Why should we respect your political system? We don't even have one over here.
Yeah.
See?
This shit is just,
all right? That's y'all, though, because y'all are American citizens. I, on the other hand, with Mero, who's now joined me, we're sovereign citizens. And we need the rest of you bodega. Join the money train.
We the Rock Nation.
There we go. That's the new movement, sovereign citizens.
Sovereign citizenship.
That's right. We're gonna get a big raft. We just go out in international waters and make niggas take the bodega oath. Fuck. Oh my God! Instead of the mega church.
Yo, that's it.
That's it right there. The sovereign citizens.
Fam.
Yo, sovereign Bodega Hive citizens. And you
Let me know. I'm copping the ref right now as soon as we leave from BJ's.
and we're gonna make La Marina like sacred holy land.
Yeah.
But because it's gonna be religious, we don't have to pay taxes on it.
Yeah. Oh. And,
And,
since they closed the shit, now we could fight over this shit like some Israel Palestine
We'll
shit.
be like, yo, that was our national birthright.
Oh
my God!
man.
all the lost tribe of Bodega Hive must find
Yes.
themselves back to the honor land of La Marina,
Yes.
where our forefathers were before it was taken away from us,
That's
stripped
right.
from us.
That's right,
Okay,
motherfucker.
I'm gonna come up with like mad fake parchment.
Free La Marina.
Free La Marina, La Marina for the people. I'm gonna come up with like the Dead Sea Scrolls, and it'll be like, yo, way
Peep it.
back in 1984.
Right here it says
DK shit was mad litty two titty at La
Look.
Marina.
right there. Boom.
We gotta come up with like a Bible, and it's gonna be like how Adam and Eve met at La Marina. Adam's gonna be like, "Yo, you out here by yourself, ma?"
Yo, you want to smoke some hooks?
I mean, I don't really.
Yo, come on, man.
I don't eat. Nah, it's
not-
Tuesday though.
It's not tobacco. It's shisha. It's different. You know
Nah,
what I'm
like
saying?
God
It's
said, I could smoke all the hookah, but not that hookah.
Nah, it's the apple flavor.
Nah, like you
Come
gonna
on,
give me
this
OD
shit's-
trouble.
It's just good.
Chill, like.
Yo, I got a bottle of more. Got a bucket of beer. What's up?
I mean,
man?
I got a plan B in my pocket. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's
lit.
get it.
Fuck it.
Hey, fuck it. Nigga
And in
God
those
is like-
moments,
the God is like, yo, nigga, French Montana pulls up in a yacht, and he's
like,
God.
Stop.
He's like, yo, I'm pulling up at La Marina in a yacht, nigga.
Oh my God, it's our Lord! And everyone's like running under the awnings and shit. There's like frogs and blood raining down on the sand. La Marina, in the beginning.
Niggas off the boat like, eh.
In the beginning, God created La Marina, and it was lit. And as they show the creation video, just hear like mad masters of work. In the beginning, it was lit. And I tell you, and I ask you, when it comes to when it comes to house music, you sitting there like, yeah, y'all gonna play hip hop or
Like, what's up, bro?
We- someone on the track is you're like, this is not a battle, this is a fiesta. When you dance, you dance, and you're like, it's 2 a.m.
Drop the beat already, yo.
I was like, you said after hours be fun.
God damn, this song is 15 minutes?
Wait a minute. So I gotta be hot to enjoy this shit? This shit is whack. You'll be after hours, like, she'll be like, yo, come with me to after. She's like, all right. They play like one hip hop song. You be like, yeah, all right. They're like, up next, we got nothing but rare break grooves. Everyone's like, I love this shit. It's like, and like,
Yo.
nigga, like, your shit done wore off. You're like, damn. Nigga, I am really out at 3 a.m. on a Wednesday night.
What am I doing?
What's going on? It all started at an open bar at 6.
What am I doing? Why am I here?
Damn.
Fuck.
And then you start doing, you like, shit, I should just go straight to work, right?
The worst shit though is that when you just following a girl around and she just like makes you go to all these things. Like I remember.
Listen, women don't understand the power they have. We will, like, you'll be in Manhattan, then like a warehouse in the Bronx,
Staten Island,
then you be at the flat, then you be in
Yeah.
Bushwick, like you just be all over the place.
care?
And she be like, all right, I'm going home now. You're like,
Okay, bye. And she just hop in an Uber and bounce. Like you're like,
Oh, how do I go home from here?
Oh, I don't even know where I am.
you open Uber's like, yeah, you might want to try Lyft, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah, you in a
fam.
sketchy part of town.
I don't know about that. Don't get wrecked. Bye.
A finger comes out, closes the app itself.
Fam, I remember fucking going to a drum and bass party with a shorty, like as after hours. Like we was just chilling. My man Mo, shout out to my man DJ Mo, he was
DJ Mo.
DJing, and this girl Yummy, that was her name. Shout out to Yummy there, and she took me to this fucking after party that was straight like drum and bass, like jungle shit and happy hardcore, and it was just mad niggas in UFO pants like. I'm like, fam, I'm not nearly enough.
High enough for that shit?
No, not at all. And it was crazy because I was like, yo, she was like, oh, rubbing up on me and shit, like, and I was like, oh, you're just on mad ecstasy.
Right.
And then the ecstasy wore off and she was just like, yo, I had a great time, like, have fun, bye. And I was just like, oh, wow, like, wow.
Nothing worse when a girl, like, promises you, or someone, not necessarily a girl, but if somebody promises you, like, a party's gonna be wild lit, but that shit's OD far.
Far as fuck.
And you get there, and for her, it's mad lit because she knows mad people there, and you just feel like, this shit is whack.
This shit is whack as
Nigga,
fuck.
I traveled 2 hours for this shit?
The fuck?
I'm a fucking karaoke bar in Williamsburg. Nigga doing covers of the Strokes. I'm like, what is this shit is whack?
Like, I don't even know the name of the fucking words to this shit.
Didn't I hear this song in fucking 500 Days of Summer? This shit whack.
I think Joseph Gordon-Levitt pops up like, yes, you did.
Shout to him. He did this thing in not Intervention. It was that the other movie with the spinning top. Inception.
Yeah.
Which
was
apparently did not age well. People say it's a terrible movie because it's rated PG-13, but it's still enjoyable.
Yeah.
You know, if you're
That's
if you're a film nerd, you're like, it's not a good movie. There's a lot of plot holes. And to that, I say, shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
Let
nigga.
people enjoy what they want to enjoy.
Get high and enjoy the shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, not everything's not going to be If Beale Street Could Cry or whatever the fuck. I mean, If Beale Street Could Talk. Sorry, that was a beautiful, touching movie about African American romance.
That's true. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't do that. Okay, I'll say.
I always say Kid Citizen Kane. I was like, nobody argues with that.
Yeah, that's overrated. That's one of those things. Like I always say, there's certain things that people are just like, this is one of the greatest movies
This is
ever.
the cat- it's
And
in
you're
the
just like,
canon.
who said that?
Who decided that?
Are they dead now? You know who said Citizen Kane was one of the greatest movies ever? The nigga that shared your hospital room with you.
Oh yes. Shout out to Jim.
What's his name, Jim?
His name is Jim.
What do you know about this Jim? What did he do for a living?
No, boats. Like that, he would just talk about boats, and I'm just like, bro, I'm really not trying to talk to you. But then, like, Heather would come through, she was mad talkative, and like his wife was there, so they would like start chatting it up, and I'm just like, bro, like I'm just trying to watch this game.
A boat fell on my dick in 1986. I remember I was watching Walter Payton. He was running pretty fast. And next thing I knew, I had a schooner on my Piscadillo.
Yeah,
Want to see?
It's wild times. You want to look at it?
Now when I get hard, it looks like I look like an anchor.
Yeah.
Like poor anchor. I'm going
I'm
back
like,
to sleep.
yo, wheel this motherfucker out of here. I'm just like ripping the IV out of my arm and shit. Like, yo, fuck this. I see it on SVU all the time. I'm gonna do it.
And
He just moving mad slow with the hospital bed up and down. I was like, yeah.
hey, are you the kid Mero?
I'm like, nah, I'm not.
I heard you. I know you. I've seen the show.
No, I didn't believe you. I'm confused. I'm
Hey,
not.
look, who am I? Who am I?
You raped her.
The wild Crip Kicker chief.
I'm like,
And he like leans back
like three of them just fall out. Like, oh my god. Okay.
Plantain soup up.
I'm like, man.
Nova in the
Fuck, can you come get me? Come get me,
Sky.
please.
one day you will
I could hit the nurse call button.
find me
Okay.
smoking weed.
Nurse.
Yeah, we should smoke weed on Tremont.
Nurse. Tremont's different now, Jim.
Look at your wife. You stick your thing in her every night. Pretty lucky guy.
I mean, yeah, I like to do that. You
Yeah.
know, it's fun
Yeah.
times. You know, but
I would love to be a penis.
Jim. I mean, look, you
You ever made love on a yacht?
Nurse.
You ever made
Jim
love?
needs his meds.
You ever made love to a man on a yacht?
Meds. Can we get some more Dilaudid for Jim, please?
You know, anything you do in the international waters, it's whatever goes.
That's my biggest fear is that like I'm gonna be on vacation with Heather and like get approached by like some 70-year-old couple that's like, hey, you guys into swinging?
Well, you have enough money now that it would just have to be like out of desire or just curiosity. Because now it's not like, yo, it's not going to be like, what's the indecent proposal? Where they're like, they offer you like amount of money that would change your life. Now it's like, oh.
Like I'm not rich, but like I'm like, you know, broke rich.
Right. Like how much like, but see, even now it'd be like, it wouldn't even be about money. We're like, y'all some freaks, we some freaks. Fuck it. This is what rich people do. Like fuck it, nigga, fuck my wife, nigga. I'm just standing on a yacht with the Bodega High members. We counting all the money. I'm like, yeah, this nigga fucking my wife now. Shit. Honey, when you gonna be done? This nigga Stedman fucking my wife.
Stedman.
This nigga Stedman. Oprah's like, well, you know, it's fair. I was like, you
better bust it wide
You
open.
better stop it with your heavy ass titties. Don't make me start again when I stopped last night. Had her butt cheeks apart looking like a harpo. You know why they call it the color purple? Stedman's like, I know why. I was like,
Yo.
She do that thing with the bees.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's right. Oprah does freaky shit with bees. She got a lingerie agent here, buzz, like mad buzz and shit. Come get my honey.
What's this shit? They got some shit that's like you put it on your clitoris and like you just press a button and it just like buzzes on your clitoris. I don't know. Maybe I've been into a sex shop.
I think you might be thinking of like the Flintstones and shit. Like woman would just put like a honeycomb on her pussy. Like,
Betty Rubble with a honeycomb on her couch. Like, bzz, bzz, bzz. The bee's like, man, I order.
Wait, they put us in the ocean?
Hey, what's going on here?
Hey,
What smells like tuna fish?
Hey, it's a living. Doink.
Like the fucking bird in the camera's like, yo, y'all got it way worse than me. Shit, let me keep doing my thing. Yo.
Also, did the Flintstones used to come on at like prime time?
Yes.
Like that's how shit was like, yo, you went through a whole day of hard working. You know what I'm saying? You probably worked at a coal mine, maybe a pickle factory.
Yep.
You're 35 years old. You know you're going to die of dysentery at like 50.
You get
Work your whole life to save up $200 to buy a house and a car.
You bathe in your bath basin and then you sit down and you turn your TV on.
Then you watch the fucking
Yeah, but
Yeah. Your wife is like, hey, did we save up enough for little Christopher's rubella vaccination? Little Christopher's coughing up blood like...
You're like, shut up, you know we're anti-vax.
It's under the tree. It's under. You get your vaccination for Christmas. Dad.
Dad, I just coughed on my kidney.
Listen.
Yo, I feel like Trump is Trump laying low? Trump's not laying low.
No, Trump is he's like wilding now because the Mueller investigation is it's it's ramping up.
Yeah,
It's ramping up with the ramping shop. So
Yeah.
he thinks it's about to be done. So he's trying to like steal as much shit as he can before he gets out of that power.
That's wild.
I respect it.
It was wild to me to see Flynn land and mad people be like, yo, we love you, Michael Flynn.
Well, I mean, I think
Michael
those people are
Flynn."
getting paid
I'm
by Trump. Like,
I'm like, yo.
nah, he might get treason because even the judge was like, yo, you disrespecting America. And usually you don't remember the judge's comments. The judge don't even look at you. Just be like, yeah, this is like a match. What do you mean you're not ready to present today? The court gave you 3 weeks. They put the glasses down like Ray J. They're like, you knew you were supposed to be here today, counselor.
Imagine Ray J's the judge. He's like,
How many times?
Hey, cuz.
How many times you don't fill out a 407 form?
Hey, blood, I told you to fill out your paperwork, blood.
How many? The chain of custody and command for the evidence it's routine. And like the lawyer's like, well, I mean, the counsel just only gave me the 2040 file 20 minutes before proceedings. So how was I supposed to investigate or do proper discovery? And you're just standing there like, am I going to jail or not? What is this talking about?
What is all this jargon, B?
What the fuck, nigga?
Like, yo.
Nigga, I got on hard bottoms and niggas gonna start waking up in the hood soon, so I gotta be home by 2. Oh, don't act like y'all niggas never went to court in a suit. They trying to come home early before niggas see you and realize you was at court. You be at 8 a.m.
Like, yo, nah, I had a job interview.
8 a.m. It's like see some old lady. She's like, oh, you got a job? Oh, you going to work? Look at you. You looking so sharp.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. Look, you so proud. This is an outstanding citizen, good for the community. I'm like, first of all, I'm a sovereign citizen, you old bitch. But, how do you proceed, Your Honor? I proceed not guilty, and I'm representing myself because I no longer have to follow the rules of the United States government because I am a Bodega Hive member and sovereign citizen. They're like, what?
Just like, hey, do me a favor. Get this fucking whack job out of my courtroom.
Everyone in the courtroom just stops talking like, oh, pay attention. This nigga representing himself? Oh, this shit about to be good.
Oh, this shit about to be real good. Oh, shit. Niggas start taking our phones and shit.
They'll be like, who is your lawyer? I'll be like, my lawyer, Your Honor, is Victor. Victor's like, what?
What?
I was like, Victor will be representing me in the court of Judge Judy and law and things like that.
Nigga just wake up in the back of the bench like,
What happened? Who did what?
Represent who? What am I doing? What?
Oh, fine. I would represent myself. First of all, I would like to cross-examine the kid Mero. The kid Mero, if so facto,
okay,
you was in the hospital, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because your stomach was OD hurting, right?
Yes. That's correct.
So if your stomach was OD hurting, you know what I mean? Like, you got your pony brick, like yogurt and shit?
Yes, I have Activia, and also...
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I think I proved my innocence beyond the shadow of a doubt. Like, man, Fenty, I was like, and my closing statements is I did not do that shit they said I did, and if I did it, so fucking what? What you gonna do about a pussy?
Nigga.
And I know where all you jury niggas live. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sincerely, Jesus Nice.
Those are my closing statements.
XO.
Thank you, Your
That's
Honor.
my closing statement.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My closing statement is like, juror number 1, 3127, apartment 4, Elmhurst Boulevard. Juror number 2, 8449, Queens Boulevard, apartment E.
That's right.
Little Stars Daycare Center is where your daughter goes. It's like, oh, shit.
Okay. We
The judge is
finally
like,
found not guilty.
Gotta allow it. Gotta allow it.
Gotta allow the thug defense.
Your Honor, he's threatening the jury.
Nah, it's the goon defense.
Nah, shit's lit. Shit's lit.
It's just,
Shit's lit. Like he's keeping the dead ass.
he's still stacking.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to allow it. He's using the Kashi defense, aka the blicky with the sticky.
Yeah, the blicky with the stiffy. There's a precedent for that.
Yes, if you remember United States versus Treyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's been a precedent set for this, so he is allowed to do these remarks.
Yo, shout out to Offset and Cardi B. They still going through it. He's trying to get her back.
Oh, he's trying to. Okay.
He popped up during her Rolling Loud performance with like flowers
Now he's
and
doing
shit.
a lot. Now he's
Like,
doing a lot. Now he's doing
you can't do that, man. Like if you fuck up, you can't like embarrass her in front of her people who's trying to get her back and shit.
He's doing a lot.
Also, she's Dominican from the Bronx. Like, just ride it out. She'll be back.
You know what I'm
She ain't
saying?
going nowhere. Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm from the Bronx.
She look a little
He's
crying
Dominican. If you know between the two of us,
Yeah.
she ain't done with him.
She look a little crying stay.
You know?
You know what I'm saying? She got a little crying stay in her. But you know what I'm saying? But hey, listen, New York, I feel like that's a New York thing too. Like, cause Nicki did it too, man.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
You know, all Offset has to do is like be like, yo, go ahead, give up on me. That's what everyone else already did, or some dramatic shit like that, or like,
nobody ever believed in me.
not even you.
I thought you did.
I thought you were different.
I was hurt.
You got that. He could also threaten to kill himself. That's always a good one.
Oh,
that is
man.
always. Oh my
Oh,
god,
my
that
God.
works so well.
Stop it, y'all.
Stop
not-
playing. Answer your phone.
Nah, you're not
Answer
gonna
your
do
phone.
it. Stop playing with me.
Oh, so you don't. Oh, you know what? If you don't want me, no one does. Stop playing. Now you just wait. It's like 2 hours later.
Yeah.
Answer the door. Like, nah, you don't. You don't do that.
Nah. You just fake it. Just like leave the door unlocked and just lay down.
Lay down like turn the gas on your stove. Very problematic. That's a problematic gaslight. See, do women have? They don't have an equivalent of that, like, because women can't get that dramatic. Like guys, because guys are.
Oh no, I've definitely had girls be like, "Yo, I'm gonna kill myself if you
But
leave me."
is it the same reaction? Because you'd be like, well,
I mean, like,
bye, bitch. You're like,
oh my god, how could you be so heartless?
like, yo, like you, damn. Because they'd be like, I'm gonna kill myself. I was like, no, low key, like, if you kill yourself and I put that on my Instagram, you know how many extra bitches I'm gonna have?
Woo! Then you can just paint. She's dead. So you
She's
can
dead,
just,
and now
you
you
can
know
write the whole
more
narrative.
You just be like, yo, like,
I did everything for her. I tried so hard.
we were supposed to be together forever. I guess now we're just gonna wait for that in heaven. You know,
I wish I could find somebody.
you just gotta stretch it out for a month and just keep posting pictures of her. Like that time y'all went to La Marina, time y'all went to Fool's Gold Day Off,
Start crying
at
and
Applebee's
shit.
and shit. Like, yo,
Just go on Instagram Live, start crying. Like, I mean, you know, like, I'm just the type of person that likes to be.
I was in an Uber and they played Plug Walk, and that was her favorite song.
That was our song. Man.
Plug Walk.
I couldn't.
So I was talking.
You know, I mean, I'm a lover, you know, and I have a lot of love to give, and I would love to give that
Then people
love to
is-
somebody.
Let me make you dinner. In the DMs, you like, you just like got the little eyes like the end of the Michael Jackson Thriller video. Like, no, be honest and communicate and all that good jazz about relationships.
Yeah. That was a good, that was nice.
Come to the Bodega High relationship course. They're like, yo. So y'all niggas want to be together forever? All right, be honest, communicate, and you know, talk to each other.
Yo, and you gotta fuck at least twice a week.
At least.
At least.
Here's the Desus Mero guide to fucking. Get a jar, and you get rocks. And every time you guys fuck in the beginning of the relationship, you put it in a jar. So that when you hate each other, you can't break up until every rock is taken out the jar.
By fucking. Oh, damn.
Nothing's worse than forced consensual fucking.
Oh my god.
Like now you got that shit and you just dreading it all day. You at work like, damn, I gotta fuck this nigga tonight.
Oh,
Jesus.
damn, we made a deal.
Gotta go suck on these old soggy titties.
We made a deal.
Shit. Bring your mashed potato ass over here.
Come here.
Niggas is like mad reluctant and shit. She got no makeup on. Niggas fucking under a weighted blanket, getting all sweaty. Turn off the AC. It's freezing in here. Fuck it. It's Thursday. Listen, I'll do the over under, but I'm not sucking anything. It's like, come on. It's a 3-day weekend, Glorious.
Yo, when you been with somebody from Atlanta, it's like bargaining.
He's like, yo.
Sexual shit. Like, yo, I bet. Like, I'll eat your ass if we 69.
Yeah, but then the problem is, it's like jail. It's like jail because in jail, you know, like when you're outside of jail, you know the actual value of shit. So you're like, yo, I know cigarettes cost what $12.
Yeah.
I know I can get whatever. But when you're married, the price and the value of like sexual objects change because you guys have your own market in there, and that's why you get weird shit where like a woman's like, yo, I'm gonna give him some pussy for his birthday. It's like that's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
That's not. If anything, that's a clearance sale.
That's like getting me a gift card for my birthday.
That's not even a gift card. That's like
That's a $10 gift card to Smashburger.
that's like someone getting you Shake Shack the day before and then just giving it to you the next day. Like you didn't finish it. Cause birthday pussy is just regular day of the week pussy.
Yeah, nah, that's
But
what
the
I'm
same
saying.
thing. Like, you can't go to your girl like, yo, you gonna get some birthday dick. She's like,
Yeah.
really, nigga? Birthday dick is something like a guy that's not bringing much to the table gives you.
that's
And also, don't wrap a bow around your dick. You're gonna just get embarrassed.
yeah, it's very.
She gonna
embarrassing.
laugh at you.
Yeah, you're gonna eliminate like an inch and a half off your boner. And it's like embarrassing. Don't do that. Fucking should just be fucking. Like it shouldn't be a thing. Like it shouldn't be a prize. That's the thing. That's what motherfuckers fuck up because it's like, yo, birthday sex, special occasion sex, like
Vacation sex.
yeah, like. Vacation sex when you have kids is different because it's like, yo, you go wild the fuck out. Like you go fuck all over the place and not
Wait,
be
where the kid? Oh, the
yeah, like if you
nigga.
go,
I thought you meant like if you take your kids on
I mean,
vacation.
no, I'm not at Disney.
I'm just imagining like they just smash it in the teacups, like fuck it up,
I'm on a double ride, just smash it from the back, like get ready
fuck
for number 5.
Fuck Mr. Frog. Here's Mero's wild ride.
It's a big cock after all.
They call it the Splatcher Kingdom. Yeah, it's a country bear jamboree, you fucking bitch. Yeah,
Then they go with the broom and just painting like shit with my cum on the floor. Like,
it's a world of joy. It's a world of it's a world of back shots. A world of fears.
yo, let me show you my Epcot Center, man.
Instead of one ball, it's just like two big brown
Two big
balls.
Yeah,
E.T. comes out with the figure and just starts like hitting the clit like
Get all your fucking in before your family vacation because you're not gonna be doing a lot of fucking during your family vacation.
The worst shit is like single people. Well, not single, but people without kids. When you go on vacation and then you really doing that fucking all over the place, because then you create that false narrative. That's what a real relationship is like.
Yeah, and then you get
Like,
back home and you're like,
niggas wake up at 7 a.m, go to the beach, have a Cuba Libre, have like sex at like 8 a.m, go back to sleep, wake up, go to the omelet bar, fuck again, go back to sleep, get up, go in the fucking hammock. Where the fuck are you gonna sleep in a hammock in real life?
Fam,
Because you have no problems. Now, you know everything is like, you're like, damn, I could be with this person forever. As soon as you get back to JFK or whatever airport, you start seeing, damn, this bitch is lopsided. But yo, her ears do not add up, huh? Or you just notice stuff. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna go get a luggage cart. You know, a what? Luggage. I was like, what? How many cheeses? Luggage. I got a luggage cart.
what? I never noticed that before.
Or you start noticing little things, like taking the Uber back from the airport. She's just like,
Why are you doing that?
it's just something I do.
I never. Have you always done that?
You loved it in the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas, you were eating my ass. You were eating my ass in the Bahamas.
I'm a bird.
You were eating my ass in the Bahamas. That's why I liked it.
And when the carousel was like, sir, sir, my child is here. Nigga, you peed on me in the Grand Cayman. That's how you gonna talk to me?
Yo.
Nigga, I fucked you on the back of a sea turtle.
I told fucking, listen, man, I told my wife, I was like, listen, we are fucking crazy right now on this vacation. This is not sustainable.
Every time not, like I said,
Like,
you know when
go
you're
back to real life.
you know when you're wilding because like your body will be like, yo, fam, you are wilding.
Oh, fam, nah, my
are
body
wilding.
definitely. There was an episode that I had like the spins after smashing for like fucking 2 hours straight and like drinking mad like Mai Tais and like just sitting in the sun, just like not like yo. And they would bring you the food on this resort, so it was like. I was like, oh, cool. Like, I'm good. Like, I'll just eat this, like, lobster quesadilla and, like, it'll soak up the alcohol. Nigga, no. I just drank half a bottle of Glenmore, Fittich, whatever, whiskey. You know what I'm saying? Like, mad daiquiris, all type of bullshit. Like, they just keep bringing you shit and bringing you shit and bringing you shit. And if you tip the fucking bartender, like, a hundo off rip,
You
like,
good.
that's your man.
Yeah, you're good for the whole thing.
That's your man.
No, I
Yo.
got you, man. When I
Yo.
went to St. Thomas with Shorty back in the day. All right, if you listen to people like yo.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Don't be messy.
back in the day, and we was fam,
Way back in the day.
all the time, all up and down St. Thomas. We was fucking, and like they had I guess it was like a group activity to like meet the other people at the resort. And she was like, I don't want to go to that shit. She was like, let's sneak away. And we go and we fuck on the beach. It's like midnight. It's just so sexy. I was like, all right, mom. I left for condoms in New York, so we're gonna get something. Anyway, so we go fuck on the on the sand on the beach. It's overrated. She gets like sand in her throat. She's like, stop. Yeah. So anyway, we're walking back. It's pitch dark, and I started noticing there's lizards everywhere.
Yep.
The most terrifying shit ever. Cause you have to picture me. I'm like dressed like Color Me Bad. I'm like in white linens with my dick showing. I got the brown sandals with my toes out. And you can't be gangster with sandals. You trying to avoid hot stepping on lizards. Also, I was wild, like, cause vacation sex is like the playoffs. So you can't be giving wild. You can't be on like a beach giving wild weak dack.
Fam.
You gotta blow her back out and shit.
You gotta make sure they say shit that she does not normally say.
Yeah, have her talking in French and shit.
Yeah, like, yo, I've never heard Shorty be like, oh my God, I'm so full. I was like, wow, really?
The same thing at the omelet bar. You're like,
yo, for real?
Oh. She's like some shit that you can't even, like, if you ask her to repeat that in America, she'd be like, fuck you, you nasty. She's like, make me a human urinal. I'm like, holy shit.
What
all
the
right.
fuck?
I was like, we just landed though, but all right. Niggas still taxiing, man. Everyone else on the plane is like, yo, okay, y'all want to get off first? Oh man.
Yeah, vacation sex definitely not sustainable, guys.
And remember, if you are a sovereign citizen, everywhere you have sex is vacation sex. That's right,
true,
because the only place we respect is La Marina.
That's right.
Damn. we got a nice little Ponzi scheme going on here.
Yeah, boy.
I mean, we just gotta. This all. What if this was? That's all this was leading up for. The Showtime deal, the MTV2 deal, the podcast is all leading up to the big Ponzi scam, the big money grab. Yeah, money grab.
Hey, Desus and Mero off, nigga. We out here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, boy.
They're just gonna have like all these like they have making of a murderer. They're gonna have making of a scam. They were like, how did no one see this? It was wild and open.
It's so obvious.
They're gonna have Victor on like the Interpol most wanted list. I'm just gonna meet with him in Vienna for like with the authorities watching us. I was like, they'll never catch us.
They'll never find us.
Victor's like, I do whatever I want.
Is it Monaco or Monaco?
Monaco.
We're in Monaco.
Yeah, nigga, if you call it Monaco, we definitely get knocked. We just run to the airport with mad duffel bags. Like, 2 tickets to Monaco.
Yo, tickets to Monaco.
Yeah, go through that door over there.
Yeah, that one right there that says police.
He's like, doink, welcome to Locked Up Abroad.
You're like, yo, Mero, why you on thighs extra thick? I was like, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I've been working out. My man was on the Peloton.
Yeah, that's it.
They're like, fast forward 15 years later. I was like, oh, my prison husband's home. Hey, Mero, I made you that scorpion soup you like.
Yeah.
I made titties out of pencil shavers. I'm like, nigga, it's this nigga's birthday. I'm gonna give him some job pussy. And that's how the story ends. Yeah. Just me and you doing 45 years in Thailand for moving like a one bag of Reggie. Niggas like, it's not even a drug shit. Like, y'all niggas too popping for this whack shit.
Come on, what are you doing here?
What is this? Carpet fibers?
What the fuck? Is that a tray bag?
I'm like, call Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy.
Help.
Chrissy, put Luna on the phone. Yo, Luna, get these niggas out of here.
Get him, please.
Go in John's wallet. Oh, that nigga got Arthur money. Get the fuck out of here.
He got Arthur money.
We get Arthur money. A-Mark money.
We get Arthur money. That's the remix.
That was the remix. Again, it was on the baby. It was on the baby chart.
Baby billboards.
Baby billboards. Yo.
Yeah, can't wait for that verse from Culture on that.
Oh shit.
It's just gonna be lit.
Oh wow. If they don't get back together, damn. See, that's what worries me. Like some celebrities' kids are gonna be wild annoying because it's like we never were. It was like when perfect example, Mobb Deep. When you bought a Mobb Deep album, we was like, I want to hear Mobb Deep, and Mobb Deep was like, hey y'all, we just did 10 songs. Y'all mind if we let our friends Bars and Hooks do a song?
Hey,
and you were like,
I guess.
Not really. All right, I'll hear it out. And if you heard it the first time, it was like, this shit is whack. This is garbage. I didn't pay for this. But every time you listen to the album now, you either have to skip that track or sometimes you let it play. And those are celebrities' kids.
Yeah.
You signed up for the original. I ain't signed up for Nori.
I didn't sign up for Nori.
All right, I ain't signed up for Stormy. I ain't signed up for all these like kids.
Yeah.
And some of them turned out to be cute. But most of them turn out to be annoying because they're not my kids.
And-
And they live better lives than I will.
The wildest shit to me is, who are these kids gonna be in 20 years?
Because they're like, oh, my father was a rapper, so therefore, if so facto, I am a rapper.
I'm a rapper.
That's not how it works.
Nah, fam.
That's not how it works.
And it's funny because like I seen, yes, I still watch Empire.
Boo.
I saw
Boo.
your man.
First of all, I didn't know Empire still came on.
It still comes on, and Chet Hayes was on Empire, bruh.
Why does his name sound familiar? Was he on our show?
That's Tom Hanks' son.
Oh, he was the one that used to say the N-word.
Yes,
Wow. He was on Empire.
he's on Empire rapping,
So you mean to tell me
living his dream.
you really fixed your out the hospital face to say it? Not only is Empire still on, Chet Hayes is on that shit.
I don't know what's
And after
him.
coming so close to death, this is how you waste the precious moments you have left in life?
Oh no! This is pre-hospital.
Oh, okay,
I
now
haven't watched anything else.
are you on that Tracy Morgan now? Are you like saved?
Yeah, I'm saved. I'm like, yo, listen, I'm shitting on the glass table. I'm wearing truck jewelry.
You gotta milk that, yo.
Yeah.
We gotta start doing like from now on. When we do interviews, I'm not saying nothing. I'll be like, yo, like you know, what I'm saying my man Mero almost died. Like I'm just letting him talk about like
Yeah, you know.
getting closer to God in a tight episode.
You know what I'm saying?
Like Mero, what was it like when you seen that white light and that big
Well-
plantain in the sky was calling you?
Well, I was getting closer to God in a tight situation, and I hope these words that I'm saying
Think it through.
think it through, because the next my right might be about you.
What was it like? You just, you know, the big dykeman in the sky calling you and the big hookah hose at the top saying,
I mean,
come, pull.
You know, I mean,
How'd you say?
I was confused at first because I saw the burning coal on top, and I thought that was eternal damnation. And as a matter of fact, it was not. It was my salvation and my salutation into the afterlife. So I followed it, and but you know, the Lord, you know, works in mysterious ways. And
Praise him.
at the last minute, when I was about to attach the hookah condom to the hose,
Safety first.
he pulled me back.
He pulled you back.
He pulled me back.
He pulled you back. Oh, when you looked at the footprints
Yes.
and you only saw one set of
One
Chelsea
set,
boots,
yes.
you knew who.
It was
Brunch Browns.
Yes, it was
that
Brunch
called
Browns.
you.
It was Romeo Santos carrying me.
So Zanny, let
So-
me find out.
Yes.
May the church say amen.
Amen.
Amen. The Kid Mero story. So let's see. We got our sovereign citizen shit set up. We got our.
mega
you got your
church.
backstory for the mega church. I gotta get niggas to shoot me with the hot one. I'm like, I
That's it.
survived.
I did it.
I came out of church and I heard niggas running around the sacred sacraments. So I got the Draco
The sacred Draco.
and I seen a nigga. So I pulled at him. Pop, 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 pop. Hit him again. Pow, pow, pow.
Preach. Preach.
Ah. He said, you got me. Ooh, you got me again.
Oh my goodness.
I pulled his mask back. I saw who it was.
Who was it?
It was me. I was the person standing in my own salvation.
Oh my.
You know why?
You're the man in the mirror.
Because I had continued to be an American citizen. And I had not moved to the sovereign citizenship of Bodega Boys.
That's right.
The only God we serve.
We'll be passing out papers for you to sign up for sovereign citizenry. The sign-up fee is $8 million.
800, unless you want to get to the, well, you guys can start at 10,000 for the basic level.
Basic level,
But you
yeah.
got to go up each year. And also we're tithing at 40%.
That's absolutely
40% gross. Okay?
Okay.
If your kid got diabetes, we come first. All right?
Listen, that little motherfucker could just stop drinking Kool-Aid and he'll be all right. I don't give a fuck about no insulin. You can make that
Insulin.
shit.
Think about it. Insulin. They got insulin. They don't got insulin. Think about that. Also, do we have insulin in Africa?
Preach.
You ever seen a giraffe with diabetes?
Teach these devils.
Never seen that. Did Nelson Mandela have
Teach
diabetes?
these devils.
But now you come to America and they give your kids peanuts.
Teach these Yakubs.
Peanuts. If all our food got peanuts in it. Peanuts
Right.
was a cartoon with a
right.
white man
That's right.
that lived with his dog.
That's right. And one of them was the name Pigpen. You know why?
Pigpen. Why? Because white people are filthy. I say less.
White devils.
They're like, I'm just trying to get to MARTA.
Sir.
I'm trying to get to Chestnut Street.
Sir, I need to buy a Metro card.
Sir, how do I get to Reading, Pennsylvania? Shout out to all my black Israelites out there.
That's right, yo.
I'm saying teach these devils.
Teaching all the devils and
Teach
wearing
all the
all the
devils.
wrestling belts.
They gotta do the Disney one of like Mary Poppins, but she's like black Israelites. These are a few of my favorite things. When they kiss dogs, when there's no top lip, when they smell like rain. I see white people acting the fool, and I exit the train. Just skipping around, hitting mad niggas with the umbrella.
Yeah, Lin-Manuel-
Watch yourself, bitch.
Lin-Manuel pop out like, they smell like my dog.
Good morning, Bed-Stuy. They're like, good morning. Shut the fuck up, you white bitch. Why you living here? You're
Fuck outta
gentrifying.
here. Stupid. Close your fucking umbrella, bitch.
Just kick a bitch off a city bike. Like, buy your own bike. Everyone's like, why is this?
She flying and she's like,
Everyone's like, why is this movie critically acclaimed? It's like the Bodega Boys present Racism Man for your consideration. Please, the Academy, take a chance on this.
Yo. Oh, fuck.
It's the only screeners that come with the wild bag of yay.
Please use this before watching movie.
After you finish watching, you must break the disc in half and use it to chop up a smooth line. Like,
I like how all my screeners say that shit. Like, you must destroy this after reading. I'm like, nah, I'm not.
here's the thing. Okay, if I'm in the Academy, that means I have some part of producing a film or a TV or some shit like that. I understand the work it takes to create a movie. Why are there 17 screens telling me not to bootleg this shit? Like, first of all, the first 16 screens were not going to stop me. Secondly, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not reading this shit. They're like, yo, your name will personally come up if you bootleg this shit. I was like, I really want to see you guys try.
Good.
All right, if I make 100,000 copies and this shit say, yo, property of Desus Nice, and they're all selling out one bodega in Harlem, I mean, like,
Don't fuck
maybe
with him.
you got me on tape selling them.
Don't fuck with him. Don't fuck with him. He's a computer nigga. He likes to test himself sometimes, see if he still got it.
You know what I'm saying? I'm in a barbershop like, yo, who wants Boy Forgotten? Everyone's like, they're like, is that about the gay kid or the drug addict? I was like, I don't know.
I don't even know, nigga.
Got some white nigga on the cover.
I don't care.
Shit popping though. It's for your consideration.
Shit is soft focus.
Yo, y'all niggas is gilded up. Riders
nigga.
Guild, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Getting points on royalties. You know what it is? Fucking solid union trade agreement and shit. Joint embargo.
You know what I mean?
Know what I'm
Health insurance,
saying?
nigga.
Shit.
What's up?
What's up? It was like, that's not how these guild things work. I was like, go bang on them SAG niggas. They're like, no, that's not. We're not rivals.
We're not rivals.
Like, you could be in both at the same time. I was like, SAG, you know what I'm saying? Sad ass goons. Got the Academy flag on. Like, this nigga dancing on your screen, nigga. How you feel about that? So this was our third show today.
Yes.
This is the third show today. Because we love the Hive. We want you guys to become sovereign citizens with us. And you know what I'm saying? Don't listen to any rumors or allegations online. The brand is what? Strong. Got a lot of haters. That's how you know the brand is strong. We got haters. The bigger you hate, the more haters you got, the stronger the brand.
You know what has been a debate on Twitter lately is the king of R&B. We're going to be the kings of R&B right now, and we're going to sing The Brand is Strong. You ready?
One, two, three. The brand is strong. The brand is strong. We live in slavery. I can't eat with white people at the lunch counter. No, that's a different song. That's from Green Book 2. More Green Book.
More Green Book in.
Whoa, he gets a phone call. It's like, whoa, Gladys, the nigga wants to take the travel back on the road.
What
They're
the
like,
fuck?
the good times are back.
Get this mullion out of here.
Whoa. I'm white. I can't possibly put your luggage in the trunk. Like, he's a black guy's driver. He's like, whoa. They're like, how are we going to get him? This is chicken outside. I was like, oh, Lord, feet, don't film it now. Yo, it's been episode 139 of a very problematic episode.
That's right.
We back, though. Don't ever say we sold out.
You know what I'm
we
saying?
can't sell out. We can only selling up.
How dare you?
It's big your boy, Deez is nice. I should bring back one of the deleted AKs.
Fuck it.
Nah, I'm not. Call me. Deez is nice. AKA Young Chipotle. AKA Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo. AKA Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. Someone complained last week. They said we didn't do enough emotion in our AKs.
Emotion?
You complain we don't do them twice. You complain we don't put enough emotion in them, nigga.
What are you talking about?
I'll be
through shows.
Nigga, I'll be doing Mariah Carey with these AKs.
Come
you know what
on,
I'm saying?
B.
You got me feeling emotion. Also, shout out to Mariah Carey. She never really dances. If you watch the video, she just does like a little shimmy.
Yeah.
It worked for her though.
Yeah, that's
It
her
worked
thing.
for her.
That's her thing.
Also, shout out to Mariah Carey, our black queen.
Right.
Christopher Sling Dick, Eli Lipby, Butcher Puligully, Slow But That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, woo, rock it up, baby, rock it up. DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo, 1994, Miguel going off the Juve boss, MC Little Green P using too many napkins, napkins and papkins, you having an abortion and a caution. When I drink a proof. Got orange juice in the booth. Orange juice in the booth when I put it in your coof. Hit you with the koofy and I roofie you with the goofy. Watching Facts of Life with Tootsie. I'm in Detroit. Driving a 300 while you bombing with the bombs. Drinking Boone Farms with your moms. Your mom's farm is coasting. Reading Encyclopedia Dramatica while I got sciatica.
Get this nigga. This nigga need to hang it up. Hang it up.
You trying to be a hero listening to Desus and Mero. You guys gonna got your eye on the sparrow. You guys doing more damage than if you tried to divide by 0. Got a hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is getting loose.
Give it to me. Everybody 313. Yo. Oh my God, I had enough of that nigga. God
Some of them might know you, but Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Durando, 1994 in Nueva York, Raquel going off, the Juve Boss, MC looking goopy.
That's
Put
right.
up for 40 with your shorty. Right in front of your fucking face.
That's right.
Very disrespectful.
Swish.
And you know what? Because you're a sovereign citizen, you can't say shit.
Can't see shit.
Because now we all share our spouses. Ha ha ha. You didn't feed the wrong point.
Polygamy.
Okay, don't talk to me in the oop. I don't know you.
Whoop.
Matter of fact, the other day, listen, in LA, this is light flex. Me and Mero took nothing but Uber XLs.
That's right.
Wasteful. 2 of us in a Suburban. Fuck you, Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, how you feel?
Man spreading all crazy.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
no better feel is you get an Uber and the driver's like, oh, just y'all? Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, that's just
That's
us.
right. Next
We're
stop.
not waiting for nobody else.
Next stop, Ritz-Carlton, but drive a little past it because we're going to smoke the Mad L. We don't get thrown
right.
out by management. They talked to us 3 times already.
Right.
They're like, you cannot burn in your room. I was like, no, it's $200 a night. They was like, yeah, but that's to deter you. I was like, nah, nigga, I'm rich. Nigga show up like, here's $800. They like, why? I was like, you'll see. The original plus one got plus one. Don't make a fuss on. Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew.
Woo.
I'm still celebrating Hanukkah because I came late.
Shalom.
Aye. Shalom when he got mad like white nephew like Jermaine avocado toast. That's right.
That's right.
I used to be affordable and now I'm overrated but still delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Just get on multigrain bread.
Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuli Rat, the Kuliri, aka Tilly Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Low K.
Woo.
Remember that time, Papi? I struck out Charles Oakley.
Papi, that was
I struck
strong.
out Charles Oakley.
That was crazy.
He slapped me in the face.
That's why I was.
It was Madison Square Garden. I was off the perks.
Yeah, you ran on the court and you threw a baseball. He was nice.
Mike Tyson, he got skied up before, you know.
Yeah, he did.
Went to the fever with Tupac. You know what happened after
He
that.
like to sniff like vacuum cleaner, you know.
They call him Punch Out, but not about the punch. Hey, 2 Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cup, Human Dr. Bottles, label dilute, nigga.
3 times.
3 times. I actually have 2 bottles of Dr. Bonner's in my house right now. I have the peppermint and I have the tree oil.
Oh.
The tree oil one burns like shit, and I find it funny. I can use it to
Less
clean.
than the peppermint?
The tree oil is that shit does not play around. And not only you can use it to clean your body, if you just spray it on the floor of the shower and use your foot, it like takes everything off the tiles.
Oh,
so
shit.
I don't know how strong that shit is, but please dilute it.
Yo, don't get yourself.
I think in Jamaica they throw Dr. Bonner's as acid on people. Do you know how to trap you? Miss 240p because I like my Pinot blurry and I like really old clips that I masturbated to 10 years ago and then I see them again. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit, memories.
That's like running into someone, like running into an ex in public. You're like, oh,
yo.
I remember you.
Yo, we smashed in the bathroom at Twilo.
Yo, you watch it. You're not even watching it for the scene. You're like, I remember that. That's right. She just couldn't do a cartwheel.
Yeah,
Because
wow.
the cheerleader uniform was too
Yeah.
tight and the guy took it off and then next thing he had the finger in the butt.
Good times.
These are Pinot times. It's like, man, it's like Vanessa Del Rio on skates. Like,
Hey.
DJ Woodlight, aka this is the Wash FM. So I was thinking, we'll be popping for Wash FM
What do
this
you
week.
got on deck for Washed FM?
I was like, who have we not really banged with lately?
The most watched F station in the nation.
I like a good Wash FM song that Mero knows. So see if oh, here we go. A little somebody. I don't know if you are familiar with one. This was for the movie Top Gun.
Whoa!
Little Kenny Loggins.
Yeah!
Danger Zone. Also shout out to all my 80s and 90s kids that when they hear this, all you are thinking about is the NES game Top Gun, which was one of the hardest games in the whole entire fucking world.
No. That game was not hard. That game was
Impossible. Shout out to everyone that died trying to refuel. It was impossible. You couldn't refuel, and even if you did refuel, you weren't landing on that battleship, no matter how hard you tried.
Not at
So
all.
give it up. The Curry Gold, Jesus Spice, the Jamal Hasburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Rare Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain, you human women, we're to Ja, Young Aaron, the Racer Provocateur, Henrik Bedcuss, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, The Human Weathers, Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Raki Tiki Squavi, Greg Popovich, Morris H. Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Juice depressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the dun dada ganoush. More cup of noodles. Not only that, because they have like 60% of your daily recommended sodium. That's a lot.
It's like 800 milligrams.
There's a video online where someone they repair a burn on a table using ramen noodles. Look it up. I'm not kidding. They can't be healthy for you.
They're not.
Also, if you just eat ramen, like eventually you won't get enough nutrients for your bone and you'll die. Sad. The Prince of Peckham. Huh? You only eat ramen from now. Fashion Nova, Casanova. We make cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change.
No.
Me.
What you want? What you need? Big money. That's right. Get it.
They gotta do the gift of me at like Price is Right, spinning the wheel like big money.
One.
But instead of spinning the wheel, I'm just spinning a big girl. I'm at Sunflash. I'm like, yes, let's come up with it.
Yo.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
It's just got Saga, Catch Me at Square One, top left.
Yo.
Man, smart. Troopers do the holy cow. Mr. Soft Punch, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it is me, motherfucking Sonny D. Fucking so. How you got me in the fridge for like 4 months, nigga? Huh? Fuck, come out there, kill everybody.
I'm getting mad thick in here.
Honey, the fridge needs to be cleaned up. David Yurman. All right, David Yurman. That's when you getting jewelry and you rich as shit and you tacky as fuck. You're like, yo, let me get a bolo. Yeah, nigga.
For $5,500.
Yeah, you don't know how much jewelry costs.
I don't even care.
Look at this pinky ring. It's $25,000. Now, yeah. These expensive. These is red bottom. These is bloody shoes. And I'm not taking off the back. Fuck that. Smokeem Noah. I lost respect for him when he said to me in the garden.
That's right.
Andrew Cool Nannon. Yeah. You now listen to the smooth sounds of I Will Murder You After Gay Sex Radio.
Yeah.
That's like basically NPR. AKA the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, pound me charger.
Sit pun it, one pun it.
Okay. I'm not turf lawn, but let me go and play in your garden.
Yeah.
Nasty. Call me Petco because I got your bitch.
Oh, free.
Oh. Skirt. Every time we say that, we got to like open a freezer. It's like a bitch on freezer. Like, they're mad frozen. They're like, this is why you can't host the Westminster Dog Show. They're like, you're hosting the Westminster Dog Show? Really? Mister, I hit your dog and drive away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You? Huh?
You got some nerve buster. You got some nerve buster, Mr. Man. It's like mad people start coming around. Yeah.
What's going on here?
I'll crash the smart car and yeah. I hope you feel terrible. I hope you feel terrible in front of your house at like 7 p.m. Just a sensible protest.
I just there with a Michael. I come outside my house with a cup of coffee and a Michael Vick jersey. Like, what's going on here?
You kneel on one of their dogs. He's doing it again. He's doing it. You kneel down. I was like, arr! He's kneeling on a Pomeranian. Stand for our flags and our pugs.
Oh, shit.
The topic of gossip is Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. All right, peak ticket gang. None of that off-peak ticket shit.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, monthly tickets only. And if I don't got it, I'm hiding in the bathroom till the conductor leaves the train car.
That's right. And if the conductor wants smoke,
He's like,
I'll smack your super hat off.
He's like, I'm using the bathroom.
They'll leave you alone if you're just in there like,
sorry. I was at happy hour at the Oyster Bar.
The Oyster Bar simultaneously looks classy and filthy at the same time.
The Oyster Bar is an amazing bar if you want to punish your parents because you were gay and you lived in a small town and they made your life a living hell and you had to move to New York and reinvent yourself and now you're a fabulous person and you love who you are and you want to take your parents somewhere depressing, take them to the Oyster Bar. Like, you did this to me.
It's your fault.
Now we're going to go enjoy Spamalot. AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Do not touch that golden ticket on my man right here with Choppy. Go ahead, Charlie.
Right.
Get him.
You fucker.
Your man, Dead-Eye Desus. Morning, Sheriff. No, I ain't steal no horses.
No.
Yeah. Only horse with Tim's. Morning, Sheriff. Yerp. Sheriff. Been shopping at Street Easy. Go to Bad Breeze like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. Shout out to everyone that doesn't know what Street Easy is. Apparently, it's an app that only works like in the tri-state area. Like I thought it was like everywhere. No. So
wow.
People were just like, what the fuck? These are saying random words at the end of it. Not unlike Mero. The Black Asiatic Addict, crack your back like Old Craftmatic. Miss La Marina, recipes. And a Les Marina with a fresh demeanor and a cold demeanor.
Oh my God.
The sheep mask killer. Hey, let me put some whale semen on my face to make my skin tight.
That's
It
right.
could be iller. AKA your problematic bae. All right, if your kid got consumption, put him outside with no shirt on. The cold air will get it right out his lungs.
That's right.
Up next,
Yeah.
come to the stage.
live no voice. He just beat Death.
That's right.
Death came from New Jersey and lost. Right now, Bare Naked in Patterson. It's your boy, the Live 666 Tour, the Kid Mero.
They trying to kill your favorite bitch, y'all.
Yeah, no, I'll never die, bro. I'm immortal. This is what it came out, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, you fucking nigga, fucking, I don't even know what breed, nigga. You're Corgi Hound Mush Chow Chow mix, nigga. Keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck.
Again, you guys will not. You guys cannot host the Westminster Dog Show if you don't even know the dog breeds.
Oh.
All right?
Nah, but we popping
A full-size Kit Kat is not a type of dog.
We popping though.
Yo, this dog looks like Reggie.
That's now we have from the working class group a Milky
shit.
Way.
Yo, look at this dog. It looks like gelato, nigga. Look at this
Yo, shit, this nigga look like a bun.
That dog look like that bitch that don't like us.
Subcut. I ain't no fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. Okay, no need to check the guesses. I am the guesses. I was fucking Samuel Jackson's fucking stunt double in the Samaritan, nigga. Respect my IMDb credits, motherfucker. AKA CC Dab out here. AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmirack. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got Mero Jr. training with Eric Kelly. Listen, man.
Shout out to the homie.
You know what I'm saying?
Big blood.
Yeah, that's right. He just won bantamweight world title because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Ben Smack Beyond, AKA Tineo Maradona. AKA Digging your baby Mutombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. That's it. End of story. AKA fucking David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, nigga. Take that for data. AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth.
So fucking smooth.
I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
I don't think you realize how smooth he is.
I don't really care because it's a Honda Fit.
I mean, I can testify how smooth he was. Like, he just, like, took my wallet out of my pocket, and I didn't even, like, care. Like, I was just like, wow, Daddy, you're so smooth.
Yeah, like Skippy.
He's the smoothest man alive.
Yeah.
My God, if he was any smoother, he'd be lube.
Yeah, I'm the new Billy D. AKA the Dominican Duckman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money that don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies because we got the #1 fucking late night show ever in the history of the fucking planet.
Facts, Daddy.
You know what I'm saying? Showtime,
Facts.
nigga. Showtime, nigga. We out here, nigga. Suck my dick.
Showtime.
You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker. AKA Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. I'll tongue kiss your madrina on stage at the grand closing of La Marina. I'm so nasty. Let me find out. Let me black out, matter of fact, and then find out. Oh my God. I'll stomp you out in these Chelsea boots, nigga. I don't give a fuck. AKA Lighten Out Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got five. And now those niggas is using Cash App. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Man.
Like, come on, B.
If you was using Bodega Bucks,
You know what I'm
currency we came up with, I mean, you'd be fine.
You be all right. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
Maybe
shout
you
out
should,
my sovereign citizens.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe you should tithe a little more at the mega church. You know
Also,
what
if you're a sovereign citizen, you can call for Victor to come represent you in any court.
That's right.
proceedings.
You know what I'm saying?
Victor will get you out of jail. If you are a platinum member.
Yes.
Platinum members. We'll tell you how you can put platinum members later. Do you see how they got the scam now? They got the GoFundMe to build the wall and something like $7 million.
Yep.
Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Yeah, because they
Wait for Bodega Fest.
Woo.
I'll be like, who y'all want to see? All right, shit. Sunday night headlining is Prince.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. They're like a Prince hologram. I ain't seen nothing about a hologram, nigga. We gonna have Prince's actual chorus. Like, I just wanna thank you. Thank you. Is that his body?
Erotic sit down.
Ow.
Nigga armful of. Oh, damn.
The disrespect.
Oh, man.
If this is how they brought out Prince, I don't even know how Michael's gonna perform tomorrow.
God damn. That nigga was falling apart before he died.
Give it up, y'all. For the Elephant Man's bones. Just goes out the
AKA Tom Brady, you're gonna got my balls inflated. AKA Field Ass Accent. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. I fall asleep on Instagram Live. I don't give a fuck, nigga. AKA Final Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Smoke with me.
At Mama Sushi.
At Mama Sushi.
Flagship.
The original one.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen to the
Don't
sounds,
play with me.
Listen to the birth. Listen to the evolution
That's
of
right.
house music on Dykeman.
That's right. Good. Let's come to the party.
And when you came to the party,
To the party. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted.
Are they?
Yes, I did. I had this nigga Mero flying off that Dilaudid this weekend. Woo! Feel that shit in your neck, boy. Candy, give this fiend Michael Anthony a little taste. Oh, fuck yeah, bro. Right there, right between my toes. Yeah, I don't want my mom to see this shit, bro. Right between my toes. Oh, fuck Julio.
What's it called? What's the name of the drug?
Dilaudid.
That sounds a lot like gelato. Think I'll be straight to that, like, yo, but the weed guy, like, you got that Dilaudid.
You got the Dilaudid.
You got that Dilaudid, daddy. I'm trying to get fucking Schmidt. I'm trying to get golden Schmidt act.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, I need a, like, where you at? I need a bailout.
Yo, come on, man. Help me out here, bro.
I'm in a little financial crisis, you know what I'm saying?
I'm struggling, bro. Come on.
It's in the end of the year. I'm trying to get into black. I mean black tar heroin.
Hey, come on, man. I need that opiate.
Yeah, I got that capital gains tax, and by capital gains, I need to gain some weed.
Come on, bro. Please. Hook me up, man. AKA, I'll be in a Mexican because you know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Dead Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, yeah, doctor, man. My pain levels are very high. Yes, I need more narcotic drugs, man. Why would I be here? Of course I didn't hit myself on purpose, man. That don't make no goddamn sense.
You clearly broke
man.
your hand with a ball hammer.
No, I did not, man.
Lucius?
No, I did not, man. That makes absolutely no type of sense whatsoever, man. Come on now. AKA Baby Newport, 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the Burger King on Burnside and Jerome asking for zesty sauce. It's the East Tremont Stevie B performing all his hits like I wanna be the one your TT is sucking and dope sick love. Don't let me lean into traffic. AKA there's some more rock stars, mate. Some more rock stars, mate. It's just the Bodega Boys, man. We have many aliases. You know what I'm saying?
Lesher Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Grind Boys.
Yeah, that's right.
White genocide.
That's right.
Misogyny.
That's right.
The Pastor Desus and Reverend Mero
That's
from
right.
the Super Church.
That's right.
Sovereign
That's right,
citizens. Not Treyway, but Three-Way.
Yeah, that's right.
So
Yeah.
Cuckold Boys.
Yeah, that's right.
The
Right.
Uncut Front.
That's right.
Jesus and the Mary Chain Gang.
That's right. Front Row Boys.
The Codys.
That's right.
Defendants.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Prosecutor, defendant 1 and defendant 2.
That's right. Absolutely.
And damn, that's not my kids.
Yeah. Listen.
Listen.
It's very serious. But I say that to say there's free tax down. And also, I am the plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a pack of backwoods that I got on credit because they're like $28.
That shit is expensive. Fuck.
Wow. I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail, man. AKA, hey guys, what's up? He's won multiple scoring titles. Jadakiss has a line about him. Why is this phone not ringing? It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. And that 3 is on the microwave timer. Bing. Damn. Go get your taquito, my nigga.
It's always funny, like, depending on where you join in this podcast. If you're like episode 40, where we're high on Mellow, we're high on that network we used to be on. Like, this is exciting. We was like, yo, it's Viacom for life. And now you get to this point, it's like, yeah, fuck everything.
Yeah, fuck all y'all niggas.
Yeah. Positive Bodega Boys. Haven't heard that name in years.
I don't know who those guys are. Yeah. AKA, if you see me at Target off edibles wondering what the difference is between almond butter and peanut butter when it's clearly obvious, approach me like a motherfucker Ursign mammal nigga, or I may react erratically.
He may react, and you won't like that.
You know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids. Hey, I'm here. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up leaning and make balloon animals out of free condoms for the clinic.
Mom, the clown is dead again.
No, I'm just resting my eyes.
He's floating up front on the pool.
I mean, I have a little stomach issue, but you know, I'm gonna push through it. He'll be all right.
The Uber driver just comes in like, your card was declined.
No, was it? Nigga steal somebody else's Uber.
Gotta go.
Yes, I'm Steven. Yes, that's me.
Just take the flour and spray them in the face with water. And just get an Uber like, gotta go.
Benzo out.
Out.
By out, I mean I'm about to fall out of the car.
Okay, I saw Fake Lean's your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Tilex and Country Club Merengue. You know what I'm saying? For my Dominicans. Okay, Hasan, dime la pita, coño. Dime a ver, palomo en funda, porque ni palata tú tienes cuarto, mamá huevazo. Que lo que es Bodega Hive, a.k.a. Los Bodegueros. Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA, coño. No. Ey, no te pongas bruto, que ya tú fuiste a la escuela, mamá huevo. Somos ricos de este lado, mamá huevo. Deja la dema, cacoñema. You know what I'm saying? Yo no voy al gimnasio, yo levanto punto 40. A mí no mamá mata a Dios, mamá huevazo, coño. Listen, oye, shout out a Showtime, shout out Kasha, como siempre, shout out Lost Me, shout out DJ Hasan y Sen, el más loco todo. Shout out Dímelo, el papi de la lady, shout out DJ Broquete, el capitán, y shout out Jubilee, la madura, shout out Basti, de lo mío llega la grasa, me quité, ya, punto y final. Mama, huevo por detrás.
What he said, all that keeping that same energy. Episode 139.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? The brand is strong. Shout out to the sponsors. And, you know, it's the holiday times. So take some time to, you know, concentrate on good things in your life.
You know what I'm saying? Appreciate
Concentrate
it.
on the successes and the accomplishments you have. And don't be a bitter hater.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? And, you know, good luck trying to revive History Channel 2. Okay, we out. Hey.
Shout out to Justin. Can we get a shot of your feet? Can we get a shot at your feet? 4 hours in Chelsea boots. Okay? Shot for 4 hours in Chelsea boots.
Young Durango.